Top 9. Band material type leather, band color black, dial color white with black subdials. Power reserve approximate 50 hours, atom shape round, dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, glass steel buckle. Top 8. Movement automatic, case material steel, bracelet material steel, power reserve 60 hours, case material steel, case diameter 41 mm, water resistance is 10 atm, dial white, bracelet material steel, bracelet color steel, top 7. Movement Swiss automatic, water resistant, depth is 100 meter, calendar date, special features black ceramic, band material rubber, band color black. Top 6. Case diameter 44 mm, power reserve 50 hour, water resistant, depth is 10 atm, frequency is 36,000 vph. Top 5. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, clasp titanium deployment, band material titanium, band color silver, dial color grey skeleton, bezel material titanium, movement automatic, water resistant, depth is 100 meter, top 4. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire, display type analog, class deployment class, case material stainless steel, case diameter 36 mm, band material stainless steel, band color silver. Top 3. Power reserve 50 hours, material sapphire, diameter is 46 mm, water resistance is 3 atm, clasp titanium double folding clasp. Top 2. Power reserve 50 hours, diameter is 45 mm, water resistance is 20 atm, strap titanium bracelet. Top 1. Power reserve approximate 60 hours, material is steel, Diameter is 38 mm. Water resistant depth is 5 atm. Clasp stainless steel triple folding clasp. Strap grey calfskin leather with special stitchings.